is OK Fixer. Got a email from a friend of mine whose truck he bought new, and he passed down to his son, is giving him some problems. And he asked a couple of other people who really needed a vehicle if they wanted it, and they said no because of the amount of problems that's crept up on this. I don't think they're very serious, although someone from not a mechanic standpoint, they could be quite expensive. So I'm going to go and pick this up and we'll go have a look at it. He wants to sell it to me for $1. So this is our $1 pickup. And there's Jody. There's the truck. Right there. Okay, let's go out and have a look at it. Okay, so I'm absolutely thrilled. This is a four-door truck, but we'll have a bigger look at it. The air conditioning works in it. It doesn't say how many miles is on it. The miles is, I don't know. It's burn out, I guess. I don't know. So, 2 keys with a fob and a title. I'm speechless. Well, there she is. They say that possession is 9/10 of the law, so I'm a possessin'. Don't even know what year it is. He says that it is first year of the four-door cab. 2001, something like that. Has a Triton V8 in it. It's the wrong color for Oklahoma, I'll tell you that. But drove it here, and it's got a few problems. The rear end sounds a little angry. I'm thinking that's probably a bearing. So I don't think it's the differential. I think it's the bearing in the on the axle. So we'll have a look at that when I get time. They said that the front ball joints needed replacing, and the steering wheel's a little askew, so ball joints and an alignment. The transmission's kind of, when you put it in drive, it's in 2, and when you put it in, yeah, it needs an adjustment on the transmission. That's not a big deal. Interior's not bad. I can fix that. Oh, look, it's separate, so it'll even be less expensive to fix. Oh, that's awesome. Four-door cab. When I turned on when I put it in drive, the odometer came up 262 and 261 and change. It's got a little oil smell, so it's, I don't know where it's leaking. This 262,000, but 40,000 miles ago, he put a used engine in it. Not a used engine, a new engine in it. So it doesn't have very many miles on the engine. I don't know why it'd be having oil problems. It's like he's got a K&N filter on it. This truck was owned by a very meticulous person, in my opinion, and he took very good care of it, in my opinion. So there's not a lot of things boogered on it. I see valve cover leak right now, and I can smell it coming off the exhaust manifold. So it's highly possible it just needs valve cover gaskets. Yeah, leaking over here too. So that shouldn't be too bad to fix. Jeez, it's hot out. Hotter than beans out. Things that that he did to it. It has new headlights. I knew a guy who put a windshield in this. I also knew a guy that took the back glass out, fixed the Ford back glass leak over in that corner, and we pulled the sunroof down to find out what was wrong with it, and the rack's broken on it, so I need another sunroof. This is if I'm going to fix all that. What year is this thing anyways? Can't even see. Dog in the background. 06 of 20. Is that going to be 2001? Or 2000? I'll have to wait and see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says 1. It's 2001. So it's the first of the 4-door cabs. Windows work, locks work, air conditioning's cold. I'm just bowled over. I'm just thrilled. I've never had a vehicle this nice, and someone just literally give it to me. Oh, just wonderful. It's crazy. I think we got an actuator out over there. No, we don't. Yeah, we're good. So, I'm very happy. Got a cover on the bed. A snap-on cover. Pretty nice. Got a spare tire. Could need a little repair on that one, I think. Probably. I don't know. Maybe a patch or something. A plug. Trailer hitch, trailer coupler. Tires aren't too bad. It's got a rattle, probably exhaust, either the exhaust can or a guard around the exhaust or something. I haven't got up underneath it yet. It's just too damn hot, really. This is probably going to sit in my yard for a couple of months until I get around to just having a look at it. Axles, I'll have to see if I can just, sounds like bearings, and before I go and flop down $400 on a new axle, I'll pull bearings, I'll pull the axles out of it and see if it's bearings, and if it's bearings, we'll put bearings in it, that'll be, bearings and seals will be, $100. So I'm absolutely thrilled. So even the paintwork is nice. And in complete and absolute Oklahoma fashion, there is absolutely no rust on this. As far as big rust, there's no rot holes, no rust. It's just dirty underneath, because it's been in Oklahoma all its life. One owner vehicle. Man, it's just thrilled. I hope you guys are as thrilled as I am. What else can I say? Everything's just here, and he's taken such good care of it. I mean, every time a little something was wrong, he fixed it, until it got to, well, it needs this and this, and then, labor rates are astronomical for mechanics. So, being able to work on your own vehicles, geez, that's great. Yeah, it's a little wet up front there. I'll bet you it's just valve cover gaskets. I'll bet you it's not a remain seal. Oh boy. 40,000 miles engine. It's got about 40,000 miles on it. The clock shows 262, and he had the transmission rebuilt at 171. So it's got less than 100,000 on the engine, 40,000 on the engine, less than 100,000 on transmission. So yeah, a lot can. Yeah, you can do a lot with this. And I don't mean sell it. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. This is truly a treat for me. Every time I get something given to me, it's usually completely used up and worthless. This one even came with keys and a title, which is just unheard of in Oklahoma. You don't get keys and a title with a car. What are you crazy? So yeah, sunroof. This one's decked right out, man. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, yeah, leather. Wow. Awesome. Very nice. Very nice. And if the person is watching this who gave it to me, thank you very kindly. I'll take good care of it. I'll fix everything on it. And hopefully I can keep it for another 20 years. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.